glam makeup look. So if you want to know how I create this look, then go through the video without skipping. And if you are new to my channel, then I am Paushali and I uploaded videos about skincare, makeup and also some tasty food recipes. Let's begin. I already washed my face and applied some moisturizer. Today I am going to use Oriflame's D1 Face Primer to prime my face and ready the base for makeup. Then I am using my MAC brow pencil to line up my brows. You can find all the products links in the description box below. Then I am using my MN brow pencil to fill up the brows. Then I am using my Mars Ultra Contour palette. I am applying some concealer to lining up my brows. Now I am using a spoolie to set the brows properly, that way I can see natural lines of the brows. Then again I am applying some concealer and also apply them on my eyelid. Then I blend all the concealers with my beauty blender. Again I am using some concealer in my under eye area and blend it with the beauty blender. As usual, I am using my Oriflame's pressed powder to set my face properly. I am taking my Mars makeup kit and applying a red shade of eyeshadow in the crease line. And also patting some color on my eyelid, that way it will look vibrant. Now I am taking some brownish shade from the same palette to blend out the harsh lines and also creating a wing with the eyeshadow. To enhance my eye look today, I am using some glitter to my eyelid. Till now, if you like my video, then please do subscribe to my channel by pressing the red subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell to be notified always whenever I uploaded any new videos. Let's move on to the video. I have done the other eye off camera. Now I am taking my Oriflame's kajal stick for the lower waterline. Next I am using a small angular brush and taking the same shade that I used earlier and place it in the under eye area. Now I am taking a flat brush and take some yellowish color, blend out the eyeshadow. Today I am going to use my MAC False Lash Effect eyeliner and creating a wing eyeliner. I draw the wing eyeliner a little bit bigger than I usually do. Then I am using my False Lash Effect mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Next I am using a curler to curl my eyelashes. And today I am going to apply some falsies to my eyes. So my eyes are done. Now let's move on to face. First I am going to take some foundation on my back. It is from Blue Heavens and my shade is Natural Beige. I am going to apply and blend the foundation with my beauty blender. Don't ever forget your ears and neck whenever you are doing makeup. Next, again I am using my Mars Ultra Contour palette. Take the same shade as my skin to conceal my uneven skin area and some spots. Now again I am using the Oriflame pressed powder to set my face. Again I am taking Mars Ultra Contour palette. Now I am contouring my face. And again I am taking my beauty blender and blend the contour. Today I am blending 2 shades of blush and place it on my apple of the cheeks. Now I am taking a small brush and with it I am going to highlight my eye corners. Using the same highlighter, I am going to highlight my face also. Today I am going to use a lip color from Huda Beauty Red collection, that is Gossip Girl. So my makeup is already done. So I am going to set my face for a long lasting look with the Kiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. Today I am going to complete my look with a long chain earring. If you like today's glam makeup look, then please do hit the like button and also comment below. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell and select all. Then you will always be notified whenever I uploaded any new videos. So let's meet in the next video. For the time, take care. Bye bye.